Hello YouTube, it's me again. I'm cleaning my hands off with a baby wipe because I just took apart a Makita drill grinder. I picked up a new DeWalt. Just me talking again. I'm probably going to do another bench cleaning video because it's a good way to yak. Watch this. Want to see a cool thing? Ah! More head glare. I couldn't see my fingers. Can't see them anyway, that's why I got glasses. But yeah, what do you call it? I've been getting dirty in here. Danny, I used tools. I used a screwdriver. What else? Vice grips. I used these cutters, which didn't work worth a shit. I used a flat screwdriver and a bunch of other tools. So yeah. Also, Arco, I used a hammer. Yep, so I'm going to put more pictures of hammers on my YouTube channel just to tease Arco. I was actually looking online, and it's funny. I was just like, looking at vintage hammers. Now I know why people buy old hammers. Like, nowadays, you look at standard hammers, they're all like boring. They look square and round and shit. And you look at some of these old ones, and they're all nice. And it's like everything 100 years old is like ornate, and they designed it really nice and made it look cool. And you look at all these new shit, it's like, yeah, I engineered it nice. Like, I don't give a fuck how you engineered it. Make it look pretty. Make it look nice. Like, make it impossible to cast. Make it so it lasts longer. Or somebody actually want to buy it, like, hey, you know what? That's a nice hammer. Like, it's got fucking whatever fins on it, or has a tail on it, whatever. And you see some of these blacksmiths online who are making like homegrown hammers and selling them online. Even those are nicer. Like, I see pictures of people selling hammers, and I'm like, shit, I wish I had like $200. I'd buy one. Oh, if I had $200, I'd buy something else too, but I'd buy more tools, more vice grips. But no, it's just funny because all this new shit is just ugly. Even cars. Look at all the new cars. They're all freaking ugly. Like, why don't Chevy come out a 57 Chevy, make it look the same? It'll look the same as a 57 Chevy. Fucking make an electric one for all I care. But at least make it look nice. Instead, it's like, oh, we're going to make a brand new car. And did you ever notice you go out like on the road, and every single car on the road looks the same? Because I'm guessing there isn't too many, like, I'm pretty sure the aerodynamics of cars don't look like 55 Chevys or old Impalas or Malibus or whatever kind of car you liked, or whatever, Dodge Darts. Like, they had like style. The laws of aerodynamics don't care about style. All they care about is, ooh, this perfect same thing. Like, I have a small little Honda Fit, and the Hondas, the Suzukis, the Toyotas, all the little compact cars, I swear there's a conspiracy. They all look the same. They all got 4 little doors, a little back window. They're all shaped the same. You look at a fucking Lexus or a Ford, they're all shaped the same. It's like, fuck, these people are boring. I mean, even though Ford's coming out with the Ford Bronco, what's it, the newer Ford Bronco? The sport one looks like shit. But even the bigger one, hey, at least, they came out of an older looking car. But I mean, come on, you couldn't come up with something new? Oh, we'll take an old brand because we're too lazy to come up with something new. So, at least Jeep. I'll give Jeep some credit. The newer Jeeps still look like a Jeep. The Volkswagen, has there's certain brands that are, like, have some uniqueness, and the rest of them just like, Kia, it's all look the same. But anyway, enough of my car rant. Thanks for watching, and I don't even know where the hell this went, but it's talking about shit. So, thanks for watching, subscribe.